To solve for the distance between 2 points, we can use that what we call as the distance formula. But for these two sets of points given here, we may not use that distance formula yet. This because our points here share the same either x or y coordinate. Look at AB. You have the same y coordinate. For CD, you have the same x coordinate. So let's start with AB. AB can be represented by this. The length of segment AB can be solved by this process. It is since y is the same, so you have 7 and 7, you're just going to take the absolute value of the difference of the x coordinates. For your CD, represented by this notation, it's because the x coordinate are the same. You have 3 and 3 there. Simply subtract the y coordinates. Now you don't need to worry about interchanging x sub 1 and x sub 2 at the same as y sub 1 and y sub 2 here. You will get the same result. Let's try to have AB. So again, this is what happens because we have the same y coordinate. Now we were going to subtract the x coordinates, -1 and then minus 6. This will give us a result of absolute value of -7, which will result to 7. If we're going to plot these 2 points on this Cartesian plane, of course we know this to be our x-axis, the horizontal line. The vertical line is the y-axis. You have A is found at -1, so considering all the grids here are per 1. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you have here 1 and -1 rather, and 7. That's for your A. For your B, you have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And you have here the same y. This is your B. This is the horizontal line. In this case, if you have the same y coordinate, it's a horizontal line. If we're going to come up with an expression, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, it meets the result earlier, 7. See? This is the formula if you have the same y coordinate. If you have the same x coordinate, just like C and D, you just need to operate your y coordinates. You have -4 minus your second y coordinate, which is -8. So by double negative property, you have -4 plus 8. This will give you a value for absolute value of 4, which again result to 4. The Cartesian plane, C is a 3 and -4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have here your C. Your D is at -8. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's -8. So you have here your D. If you have the same x coordinate, you have a vertical line, and by inspection you have 1, 2, 3, 4. It meets the result here. This is what you need to do in solving for distance between 2 points if they share, or the 2 points share the same x or the same y coordinate.